everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you checking out my videos, and I really hope that if you enjoy it, you stick around. Well, it is that time for, drumroll please, Target Beauty Box. Mine took quite the length of time to get here. I was a little disappointed. I did place an order with some other things, which I'm going to be showing in my next video with a bunch of hauls that I have done. But I love my Target Beauty Box. For those of you who don't know or have never purchased one, this is $7 a month. They are sold on Target.com, and you can sometimes also get them in store. I don't have a store by me, so I've never purchased them in store. And also, by the way, disclaimer, the sweaty mess that I am, it's a million degrees, as usual. If I could film naked, I would, but that's frowned upon here on YouTube. Anyway, getting back to this box, they are extremely hard to get your hands on, so if you do want to get them, I suggest going onto Target and signing up for the email so that as soon as they release them, because you never know at what time of the month you're going to release them. It's not like they come out on the first of every month. If you sign up for the emails, they will send you an email notification, which is what I do. As soon as I got it, I jumped on, and I got two actually because I wanted to get one for my mommy. So anyway, they come wrapped. They are a nice little white, clean looking box, and this one feels extremely heavy, and we are going to get into her. So I can tell you from experience, I have gotten them since January, and I am always pleasantly surprised. You don't just get beauty products, you get some bath products, you get toothpaste, you get razors. You never know what you're going to get, but I've always been happy with it. So let's open her up. They package it so really nicely, although my tissue paper is a little bit tearing it, but that's okay. And this says Hello Rejuvenation, so maybe that is the theme. They do tell you what is on the back, and you do get a $3 off coupon off of $15. So I did get my glasses. Now they're not falling off my face. Actually went back to the place and they fixed them beautifully for me. Oh, the sweat. Oh, the amount of sweat. Well, one of my subscribers, Clara, thank you, Clara, said I look dewy, not sweaty. She's awesome. She also has a channel. You should check her out below, by the way. Wow, okay, it is a stuffed little box, and the first thing I am going to pull out is from Tresemme. It is the Repair and Protect 7 Instant Recovery Mask with biotin. I am very much in need of hair recovery masks. My hair is very damaged and very dry, and I'm doing everything to help that out. So this is awesome. They're so warm. I guess they must have been sitting outside because everything's so warm. Oh my goodness. I will read up on that in just a minute. The next thing I am pulling out is Ultra Vibrant Whitening Strips. I don't think I've ever heard of this company, but it says compared to Crest 3D White. Maybe it is something, a brand that they sell. Obviously it's a brand they sell in store. Maybe it's their brand, but you are getting 6 strips, which means you are getting 3 treatments, 1 upper and 1 lower. I have quite the collection of these. I haven't used them yet because my teeth are so sensitive, but I'm really interested in trying them out, so that is pretty awesome. Next up from Shea Moisture, we have Bamboo and Charcoal Body Scrub. I've gotten so many body scrubs lately, and I'm so happy because I love them. And they say this is for problem skin. Maybe it's like for your back, to exfoliate if you have breakouts, because it's African black soap. I have seen these before, and I am going to open this up. It's actually not black, it's actually gray. It has little beads in it. It doesn't feel that exfoliating. See, it has a very nice scent. Kind of like, I don't know, I'm so terrible with describing scents, but it's nice. I'm anxious to use that. I will read up on the card what it says. I have to just blot my face. Hold that. I'm not going to show you the amounts of sweat that came off. You can see it though. The next thing we have in here is a full size of, and I know this is not that cheap, it's worth way more than the box. This is the Nivea Foaming Silk Mousse Body Wash Cream Moisture. Soft silky skin with Pro Vitamin B5. That is fabulous. I love Nivea. I have to spray a little on my hand. It really does foam. Obviously they call it foaming. I just get amused by the simplest things. It looks like shaving cream, to be honest with you. It has the typical Nivea scent, which is just light. It's very, very silky, silky smooth. That is fantastic. I'm so happy to get that. The next thing that we get is Hask. I just ordered some stuff from Hask from Ulta. This is the Manoi Coconut Long-Lasting Oil Absorption Dry Shampoo. Now, I do not have oily hair, so I'm trying to think of who might have oily hair. If I don't know anyone who has oily hair, I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I like Hask products. They are pretty cool. And this is, I don't know if it's a regular size, but it is a sure as heck a decent size. So that's fabulous. Just had to plug my camera in. Oh, and then the cap from this fell off. I'm glad it didn't open. I'm glad it comes with the cap. I was wondering why it didn't. There are two things left in here. The first one is from Acure. This is the Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub. I love facial scrubs. I love masks. I love under eye masks. I love everything. The writing on the back is way too small for me to see what type of skin it is good for, but hopefully they will have that on the card so I can read up on it. And the last thing in the box is a Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Jelly Eye Sheet Mask. This is one of the ones that like covers like your whole face, essentially. You look like a baby raccoon. This has seaweed extract, soothes and replenishes skin. They say this is new, so I'm assuming that obviously it just came out. It says the Jelly Sheet Eye Mask is made to target your eye area where stress and sleepiness can show. Made with seaweed extract, this mask works hard to soothe and replenish skin. It's a great way to relax after a busy day, and it says it won't clog pores. I adore sheet masks. I cannot wait to try this. I'm going to try this tonight. And in my month in review, which obviously I can't even believe, it is like the 14th of December. Did I just say December? I meant to say July. Why I said December, I have no freaking idea. Maybe because it's 1,000 degrees and I wish it was cooler. But anyway, I'm just going to put this in my monthly review and let you know what I think about it. Let's look at the card. Now, it doesn't have the prices on these, but I usually link them down below, if not put the prices on the screen as well. You guys have said that you seem to like that, so I will continue to do that work for you. So the Clean and Clear Mask Cooling Hydrogel Sheet Mask is designed to adhere to skin's contours to help lock in essential nourishing ingredients for a replenished, refreshed glow. Shea Moisture African Black Soap and Charcoal Body Scrub. It says it is made with bamboo charcoal that helps draw out it draws out dirt from the skin, while organic raw shea butter moisturizes and smooths. This looks really good. I will be taking my third shower of the day in a little bit, and I will let you know again. Hopefully I will like this. I have like 3 or 4 body scrubs open, but I use them all the time, so I don't mind. This Hask Coconut Dry Shampoo, ultrafine rice starch, acts quickly to soak up oil, sweat, and odor, so next day hair looks and feels fresh and bouncy. I like the fact that they also just give you some tips underneath each of them, which is nice. The Nivea, which I think is one of, if not the most exciting thing that we did get, it's delightfully rich mousse gently cleanses skin with light moisturization for a silky smooth feel during and after a shower or bath. I can say that other Nivea products that I've used in the shower, when you get out, your skin does feel wonderful. So I'm super excited about that, and I bet you that you can probably shave with this. Oh, the brand is Up and Up, by the way. Again, not something I've heard of. The 3-day whitening kit, vibrant whitening strips, are scientifically designed to remove years of tough stains and a visibly wider smile, you know, to be revealed. Again, hopefully, I'm trying to get up the nerve to try them. I said because my teeth are so sensitive, I suffer as it is, so I'm just afraid to use them. The Tresemme Repair and Protect 7 Mask. It's formulated with biotin to deeply penetrate hair, fiber, and from within, and strengthen breakage and split ends so locks look and feel luscious. I would like some luscious hair. Yes, I would. And last but not least, the Acure Brightening Facial Scrub. Organic sea kelp and lemon peel, which any type of fruit acid is going to do amazing things for your skin. Gently exfoliate the skin while French green clay and Madonna lily, I've never heard of that, obviously it's a flower, draw out impurities to boost and brighten. Cool, is all I can say is cool. Well, I am super happy with this box. I love everything that we got. It is worth way more than the $7 price tag, even though some of the items are samples. They're not teeny tiny samples like Birchbox and Sephora Play and things like that. They are absolutely deluxe, great travel sizes. Now, we didn't get any makeup in this particular one. Honestly, that doesn't bother me. I know I'm gonna get like awesome use out of everything in this box, and I just can't wait to get my next one. I am still waiting for Walmart comes out with their, Walmart does a quarterly box, so I don't know when I'm getting that one, but I can't wait to get that one as well. And I have a few more videos coming up, so I'm so happy that you guys joined me. Thank you so very much. If you are new here and you want to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can see more of my videos and content, that would mean so very much to me. So thank you guys. I hope you have an amazing day and amazing week. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Hopefully this will go up before the weekend ends. If not, enjoy your next weekend. And I will see you guys in the very next one. Bye.